Unlock the secrets of amazing YouTube thumbnails. Ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers consistently create eye-catching thumbnails? Today, we're taking the mystery out of it. Thumbnails are YouTube's first impression. They can make or break your video's success. It's all about grabbing viewers' attention. First, good thumbnails tell a story. Use contrasting colors, expressive faces, and bold text to give viewers a sneak peek at your content. Next, keep it simple. Thumbnails are small, so complex images or too many words can be confusing. Make every pixel count. Don't forget about branding. Consistent fonts, colors, and logos can help viewers recognize your content. Don't be random, be recognizable. Finally, always test and tweak. Try different thumbnails, see what works best. Remember, it's all about constant improvement and evolution.